Okay, so it's impromptu trailer work on day. Erik is going to be backing the trailer up into the barn, which makes me kind of nervous, considering the last damage we had. Yeah, the last time he used the trailer, he jackknifed it with the tractor. Han, you're Han! So we are going to go through and flip, well, not flip the axles. We're actually going to put a lift on the axles. And even then, it's tipped way far back. I mean, most horse trailers I see are tipped pretty far back. Look at the ruts. Look at the ruts it's leaving right there. That's why that rear tire blew out from the last person that owned it. So the reason we're moving it right now, I don't know why he doesn't just line it up. Oh gosh, this is not gonna be good. We've got storms rolling in. We want to get it in the barn. If we wait too long, this whole area is gonna be way too wet, and this trailer is extremely heavy. Oh gosh, wait. Oh gosh. Okay, yeah. Okay. I think he's got it.
How's it looking over there? I wish I had a slide hammer I could get up in there and tap that down. I might be able to get this thing up over there and then pull it down. This is looking really good right here though. That's looking really good. What more? A little bit more. Go again.
Now what?
I gotta move the clamp.
This real quick.
I'm gonna heat this up so I can bend that down. Alright guys, so we got this corner roughed in pretty good. What we're going to do now is straighten this top rail. So what we have to do, we're using a porta power to brace up this part right here. Right before, see right here, this is bulged upward. So we need a support right before that buckle so we can pull down on it. That way we're not pulling anything past that point. So we're going to heat this up a little and just slowly work it down. I can hook up it another way. Look out, Sally. Woo! Slipped on all that hot seam sealer up there. Hot seam sealer.
That's fine. You keep it back there. Stouter than I thought, guys.
I thought that was gonna come right out. Piece of cake.
Put it back. Don't touch that. It's sharp.
Like it's a little better. Now do you see how that's straight right now? Because the buckle, it's like straight up to here now. It was back here. Sure that's not binding that bottom here.
It looks like it's buckling it outward.
Hey, Mom.
So you want to put that, you see where it starts to go up a little?
Yeah.
That's where you want that, right where that's starting to go up, so it's going to force that buckle down.
Mom, what time we don't have dinner? What time Dad on the dinner?
Probably after he's done with this.
You don't want to lift it a lot, you know, just a little bit. You just want pressure on it.
Ah.
Yeah.
Dinner?
Yeah?
We don't get pizza?
Yeah. You want
Yeah.
pizza?
Yeah. What
Alright.
time?
But he straightened this whole thing out right here. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's pretty stinking good. He had to straighten all of this too, because that was all mangled up. There's still a bend right there, but that's not the end of the world. So it was by far probably the most expensive aluminum piece out there.